am going to walk through today how to manage your preferences and what you see in the toolbar on your left-hand side of Acumatica. So right now you can see that I'm starting with it collapsed. But if I go all the way to the bottom and I hit the caret, I will have it expanded and you can see what each of those icons are labeled as. So first things first, you can see that I have quite a few options here. And if I go down to the bottom and choose more items, you can see everything that I have available to me to pin to that main menu there. So if I hover over one of these, I then see a push pin. And if I select that push pin, it has then pinned it to my side panel here. So let's go ahead and open that up. So underneath any of the options on your side panel, you'll see first an immediate set of actions here, and then you should also see an option to show all. So if you open that up, you'll see everything that falls underneath that module or workspace inside of Acumatica. And you can change what you see in the immediate access or under the show all by going to your settings icon up here in the right-hand side. So it'll say configure quick menu. So if you go ahead and select that, you'll see all these checkboxes that come up. And what you can do is make changes to these to reduce what you're seeing, or maybe you want to add some things as well to show on that menu. So once you're done there, you can hit exit, or you can reset it to default, which will bring everything back to normal. So I'm going to go ahead with my selections and I'll hit exit, and you can see that those have then been updated here. And again, I can go back and reset those to default to bring it back to what it was previously. Maybe I want to clean up my left-hand workspace and all the modules that are listed here. Maybe I don't need quite everything that's showing. So any of those that I don't want to see, I just come up to the right-hand side where this push pin is again. And if I unclick it, it will then unpin it from that menu. And the same thing, I can do that with lots of these as I go down the list here. And that is how you can manipulate and change what you're seeing in that menu.